All right, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today you are in my closet. I'm gonna walk you through on what I'm going to pack for my upcoming 4-day cruise on Royal Caribbean Independence of the Seas. Stay tuned. So I know this is as clean as it's been in a long time, and it's still not clean. There's a fork up there, but that's because it's my travel fork and I'm packing it. It's plastic. But as you can see, my closet is organized and I'm getting ready to pack. Real quick though, I wanted to show you my new flip-flops that I just got in from Amazon. They are not the prettiest, but that's the brand Koalu. And it's kind of like a reindeer koala Christmas kind of thing. But anyway, it has major arch support. I don't know if you can see that inside arch there. See that? It's a game changer. I got an 11.5. I probably could have got an 11. It's real comfortable. This is like soft and there's no like areas where I get blisters or anything. I switched because I have, sorry for my shadow, I have my Croc flip-flops, my Sperry flip-flops, but both of those give me foot trouble after a few hours. These I'm going to get, as well as with these, my Hey Dudes. I'm taking my inserts though. Just some cheap arch support inserts that I'm going to put in here. And these are going to be the only two shoes I bring on the cruise. These and these. I'm going to wear these on, and this is what I'm going to use when I need a closed-toe shoe. I'm even going to take these to dinner. That's how I roll. I could take those, but I'm not. I might even get rid of those. These are Croc sneakers. I recommend those too, but I'm not packing them because it's only a short cruise. I also have a bag here with 2 sets of water shoes, which I'm probably not going to take those either. We're just going to Coco Key and I think the Bahamas, but I'm not going to take those because the beach there is pretty nice. I don't need that. There's my packing cubes. I'm actually not even going to use that either because it's such a short cruise. I am taking the cruise magnets though. I use these dryer sheets. I put them in my luggage with my clothes to help kind of keep things fresh. And before I zip it up, I give it a little spritz of the Febreze clothing. I'm putting these flip-flops back on because they actually make my feet feel really good. But I will link these in the video from Amazon. I recommend them. They feel great. Really great arch support. Perfect. Normally I would be taking my backpack, but I'm not. I think I'm going to take the bag I got from TikTok. This is my toiletry bag, and I like it because it has a hook and it hangs up. But my basic toiletries, I do have sunscreen there. It's not packed yet, but I get that. I have a poncho. I have some mask just in case. First aid kit, contacts, various shampoos, soaps, lotions from other hotels, my hair, gel, extra sunglasses and glasses here. And then also one on the inside. Your anti-inflammatory stuff, your Advil or whatever if you have, deodorant, vitamin C. I have everything in there. Glass cleaner for your glasses. I have some toothpicks and one rogue Q-tip. I probably should add some to that. But that's my toiletries. And I sometimes just leave them in the bag and put it right on the shelf instead of unpacking everything. That's probably what I'm going to do. So instead of my backpack, I think I'm going to take this bag, which will rest right on top of my luggage with the little strap here. This will go right over the handle so I can just wheel it on. And I can even put my laptop in there in its case so it's not just hitting stuff. Here's my portable fan for cruises, but I'm not going to take that either. It's so short and I don't want to pack it. It's kind of big and heavy, but I do recommend this. This is also in my Amazon store. Those are just, I'm not taking any of that. Those are jackets. That's a blanket. So space saver bags. I do recommend taking one of these though. A light coat or raincoat kind of thing that doesn't take up a lot of space. I don't use this stuff a lot in my closet. This right here actually, fun fact, belonged to my great grandfather. And it's an old sweater, which I used to wear, but I'm trying not to wear it now because I don't want to ruin it. But the label just says men's store. So it's a really old acrylic yarn sweater. Something I hold on to. Hold on to your memories, guys. So here are kind of like my long sleeve jackets that I'm going to start using now because it's that time of year. And I just put this stuff here. This is all cruise kind of stuff. And I'm going to go through this as well as some of my merch t-shirts. This is not for sale in our merch store. Let me show you this. But look at the little for Brittany's birthday cruise. Aww. If I can get it. I got those. I washed them. I already have lint on them, but those are going. So I'm going to go through here. I'm probably not going to pack. No, I will pack one pair of jeans. These are my like everyday t-shirts that I wear to work. And almost every day, almost in every one of my videos, I'm wearing one of these shirts. These are the not so much everyday stuff. I have them over here, kind of like where I can tuck them back. These are my pants, long pants. I don't wear these a lot because it's winter stuff. I will wear this stuff. I won't pack that for the cruise though. Here are my jeans. I really recently just got rid of a lot of stuff. This stuff was packed, if you can imagine, like packed. And then I have all this up here. So regular shorts, comfy shorts, or workout shorts, but that's not what they're for. These are swim trunks. These are like hybrid swim trunks / shorts. These are also like gym shorts, and I don't wear these as much as I wear these or so I'm going to go through this and pack a few of those. Those of you who watched my last video, the Goodwill haul, well, the video before the last video, sorry. This is the shirt that was picked for me for my mother-in-law to wear on the cruise, and we will wear this one of the cruise evenings, I'm thinking. My pants are not here. She did find me a pair of pants, and they are baseball pants. They're white, so you can only imagine what that's going to be like. Stay tuned to see that complete look. Okay, so I'm just quickly pull down all the things I'm going to take, and then I'm going to throw them in here. I'm not going to bore you with all that stuff, though. I guess, I don't know. We'll just see what's going to happen. But yeah, I'm about to start packing. Here's my suitcase. It's carry-on size. There's the medium one. I'm not taking that. Maybe I should, but I'm not. I'm just going to do the little one. On a 7-day, I've taken this too with my backpack, and that's it. But I've used the packing cubes to really compress them, but I'm not doing that today. So let's pack the 21-inch carry-on size with the good wheels. I love these bags. My big one though is gone. It got cracked and the wheels broke, so I had to throw the big mama version. So anyway, I'm down to these two. Oh. All right, so here's the inside. It's just like a standard luggage that has this side that you can enclose, and then this side with the straps with this little zippable liner pocket where you can put things like keys or something that you need to find quickly. And here's another tip I've seen on a couple of channels, and I did this in one of my videos. Make sure you put a slip in your bags or anything that you're going to let go of. I am carrying all my stuff on, but you can see none of this is actually real, but leave a note in here right on top of everything, probably on this side, strapped in, under the straps. So in case the tags on the outside go missing, all that luggage tag stuff, someone who opens your bag will have this data and can help you find your missing bag. First things first, I always put a dryer sheet down on each side. I don't know why, but that's what I do. Yeah. Okay, y'all. This beauty that's not hung up really nicely, this is a Tommy Bahama. This is probably my most fanciest, most expensive casual shirt. And I did not buy it. It was given to me by actually a family member on my in-laws side, basically. And it's like a hand-me-down, but it's a very nice quality. All the hand-me-downs I've gotten from them have been top tier quality. Stuff that I probably cannot afford to buy on my own. But I always take this bad boy because it's good for the white party. I can put it on over stuff, even just go into the pool, put this over myself. It's got long sleeve. It's like a linen, but it's real soft. I love this shirt. You tuck it in. It is kind of big on me, but I roll the sleeves up and then you got this little pop of orange, which is cool, as well as in the collar. Oh my gosh. Nobody else likes this shirt but me, but I love it. I usually take this shirt too. We got it in Aruba, but I'm probably not, because I'm not going to be on the ship long this time. What I will take though is this lovely number, which is currently inside out, but as you can see, it's got a fine, like a palm tree print in all black. And this is actually from Walmart, George Men's, and that is coming. All right, so my heaviest clothing is packed. By heaviest, I mean it's like the thickest, heaviest. And I like to put my thickest stuff towards the bottom. So when I stand this vertically, because here's the wheels, the weight of this is not crushing down on that. So this is the lighter clothing. And I stuck my Hey Dudes in right here. Sans the insert, so I'm going to have to remember to get those. But they're in a little bag, so they're not touching my suitcase or the clothing. And now for the lighter stuff. But I'm going to take 3 swimsuits. There we go. There we go. And there we go. As well as 1 comfy shorts. This is like for waking up in the morning, going to get coffee, sleeping, whatever. This is like utility shorts, but they can get wet. And these are by Chubbies. This here is from Fabletics, and these are Burmese, I want to say. Burmese is probably one of my favorite brands. And this is just like an extra utility short. So I'm taking more short. These are thin though, or lightweight. So I can lay them either on top of this or over here with my t-shirts. So this is more like the formal side, heavy professional side, the beach side, water side. Of course, no cruise would be complete without one of my favorite dress t-shirts, courtesy of one of my favorite comedians, Chelsea Lynn, aka Trailer Trash Tammy. Yep, it's getting old. It's getting kind of cracked, the shirt. But I have two of these beauties. The other one, here it is. I have a couple of her shirts. This one I like, but I'm probably not going to take this one because this one's kind of flaking off. Poor Reba. All right, let's pack these t-shirts. Okay, I'm definitely packing these. I might be wearing one of these on. Actually, I have another one in the mailbox that I have not picked up yet. But all these are available. And you can click the link right now as you're watching the shop tab. Here's a Nautical Wanderers shirt. We need to make a new Nautical Wanderers shirt also. But this is one of my favorites. I like the glowy effect. It looks very neon. But here's Kelman Explorers, my favorite design. Here's my Summer Vibes design. And the pirate one is, you'll see that later on the ship. All right, so this is a finished product for me. I realized I did not pack my underwear and socks, and I still have plenty of room. I could have put them down in here, but I opted to keep them here in the zipper part. I'm only taking 2 pairs of these little socks because I like those with my Hey Dudes. It's only a 4-day cruise, and I overpacked, but way less than I used to. Tuck this guy in. This will zip no problems, and that way I can add or take away stuff easily. This side will be a little wrinkled, but that's fine. I'm on vacation, no stress. I just hang everything in the bathroom while I'm taking a shower, and it usually kind of, not everything, I hang the things that are really wrinkled, and they usually kind of sort themselves out. But that's a final product. And so what I'm saying with this guy, when you're done packing, just tuck him in. I saw this on the channel and never have done this, and I really like this idea. That way, if your tags fall off at the airport or wherever, they are going to open your bag, and at least now they'll say, okay, this person is going to be looking for this. Let me go ahead and turn it in and call them or whatever. Make it look like you care, and I think they will also care. I never really use this pocket, but it's kind of cool. But yeah, let's zip it up and see how it looks. All right, mystery stain, by the way. I have a feeling that might be from our dog. I'm gonna have to check, by the way. I did not notice that before. Here is the finished product. So clothing, pretty much clothing, and some of the cruise accessories, but this bag I like because it snaps on there and it won't fall. This is where I put in my electronics and my last minute, oh crap, I forgot this. You can see I have my toiletry bag and my windbreaker here / raincoat, and I'll tuck my laptop in here and my camera equipment, and we're good to go. So now that I'm all packed, this will wait right here for a few days, and then we'll go. All right, and I am starting to sweat as it's pretty warm in this closet, but I am ready to go. I don't have my travel documents or any of that, but that will be packed right in that black bag once I'm ready. I don't like to pack those until the day of, so that way it's part of my routine. I get everything like that very important in the morning, have it with me in my hand, and watch myself alert with coffee in my system, put it where it's gonna, I don't like to do it beforehand in case I think I did and I didn't. Anyway, that's just my ritual. I don't pack as much stuff. Even though that looked like a lot, it's really not a lot from what I used to do back in the day. I also am not a very formal person, so I kind of forget this section in my closet all the time when I'm packing. So I'm not a real formal person. So on formal nights, I usually wear a nice pair of jeans and that black shirt or something long sleeved and maybe or maybe not tucked in. I don't wear shorts or anything like that. But you know, I'm there to enjoy my vacation, and you enjoy yours. If you like to dress up, do it. But thank you for watching. This is what I'm packing, and you'll see me wearing all this, most of it. Sometimes I don't wear any of it or a lot of it. I'll just wear the same thing over and over. You'll see me wearing this coming up next Sunday. Should be the first video from this cruise. So see you then, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you can, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Bye.